Hi, welcome to City Says. Today, these puppies are looking for their younger puppies and the limited edition surprise egg, which is one of these, and we have 6 surprise eggs. Let's start it. Mickey's one of their friends. Pluto!
Tsum-Tsum.
Yeah, he's Tsum-Tsum. Two puppies.
They found their babies.
Yeah. And Mickey fell down. I get well soon card because one of my dolls, which is not this doll, but she's somewhere downstairs. Well, she had to go to the American Girl Doll Hospital, and it said, from her friends at American Girl, get well soon. I wonder what's in this egg. The limited edition!
What's its name?
This is Poppet. Thank you, Daddy. Oh, yeah. This is something like a Kinder Egg. This is my first Kinder Egg. What's in it? It has a character and it looks like it's Anna, I think. Oh, it was Elsa! I'm looking at Elsa. Oh, I wonder how this tastes. It tastes good. Really good. Well, these came from a set for puppies, and this came with the set with Donald, I think. And I just bought this at the Disney store. Oh, and I got this at a Sonic pack. And that's it for this video. And a shout out to Mackenzie, because she's been watching my videos for a long time.